Okay, let's go ahead and notate all the parts. This right here is called the slant height. Someone's talking over me. And the slant height is denoted by L. So for my class, I'm going to call this a lean, so that the formula correlates with the beginning of the letter. And then this right here is the height of the pyramid, which is always perpendicular to the base. What's another word for height?
Altitude.
Good, altitude. And then, do y'all remember the word from the center to the side that's in a regular polygon? Apothem. Let's go ahead and highlight this triangular lateral piece. And I want to pull that out right here. It'll always be an isosceles triangle that has a lean perpendicular to the side. So just to kind of color coordinate, let's put the greens together. Okay, my last part of highlighting. This edge to this edge. So here I have the base edge right here. The base edge. What do you think I might call this edge? Any idea? It'll be lateral edge. Okay, looking at your formula chart, let's go ahead and list out all three. We have lateral area, surface area, and volume. Abby, give me the lateral area formula stated. Lateral area of a pyramid.
Lateral area equals perimeter times length.
Perimeter times a lean. Divided by what? 2? Very good. For surface area, how many bases am I going to add on to this? 1 or 2? If it's 2, it's got to be a prism. If it's 1, it's got to be a pyramid. So let's do PL over 2 plus a capital B, which is the area of the base. Okay, Bryce, now look at the volume of a pyramid. What does it say?
Base times height over 3.
Ooh. So is it little b?
Big B.
Big B, which is the area of the base times the height divided by 3. So when you're reading anything with a capital B or capital P, say the perimeter of the base or area of the base, okay? So let's go ahead and apply them. Good example number 1. Nick, let's read.
Find the height of the square pyramid.
So let's connect the apothem. And let's highlight the triangle that is embedded in that. And I want to go ahead and take that out, so it's not confusing in a 3D model. 15 is our hypotenuse. If I know the 18, what can I say about the short leg? It'll be 9. Let's call this H. So you can use Pythagorean theorem, or you can be clever and think about a triple. What triple would this be? 3, 4, 5. So 15 is our hypotenuse. 9 is my short leg. And then we have the unknown. What's my multiple here?
3.
Times 3. So 4 times 3 is?
12.
Boom. Again, you can always use Pythagorean theorem. It might look a little messy. May also take some time. Everyone good on that? Yes? Okay. Let's go on to the back. Number 2. Uh-oh. Mine's a mess. All of my markers decided to travel to the back. Okay. All right, Mark, let's read number 2, please.
Number 2?
Mm-hmm.
Find the lateral area and surface area of a regular square pyramid with base edge length of 14 centimeters and slant height 25 centimeters.
Let's underline base edge of 14 and the slant height. That we like to call it a what? Lean, because the formula denotes the L. Are we comfortable making a pyramid?
Sure.
Okay. Start with a rhombus. And then point to the top left. point to the top left, go up and a little bit to the right. Go up and a little bit to the right. Now connect the vertices. You should almost always get a perfect pyramid. Did you get what I have? Okay, let's raise it up. I want to see. I like it. Caleb, that looks good, Bryce. Looks good. Audrey, that's good too. Very nice. We should just call this geometry art. Yeah? Okay, let's go ahead and put in the lean. Our lean is 25. Go ahead and notate that. It says my sides are 14. So let's find everything about this first. The perimeter of the base is how many if each side is 14? 56. What would the area be? 14 times 14? 196. So now let's go ahead and write out lateral area and surface area, perimeter of the base times the lean, divided by 2. For surface area, I don't know why I moved it all the way over. Just add the area of the base. So now let's plug it in. The perimeter is how many? 56. And I need to multiply by the lean given, 25. All divided by 2. Oh, my pen is done. I need to go home. Uh-oh. Is it done? Oh, it's kind of faint. Okay, let's kind of be clever about this one. Should we multiply the numerators first or divide it by something first? Because we want smaller numbers. So 56 divided by 2 is how many? 28. Now let's do 28 times 25 somewhere on the side while I change my pin. Are we multiplying?
Yes.
Charlie, how many?
I'm still calculating.
Because you haven't started it.
We'll wait.
It's going to be a clean number. Anyone get 700?
Yes.
700? So we know our lateral area is 700 centimeters squared. Since that was the PL over 2, I'm going to put in 700 right here. We know the area base of the base we found a while ago was 196. So together our surface area is 896. So as long as you're given the formula, this shouldn't be a problem, okay? Okay, let's go on to example number 3, and we'll do number 4 with the partner. For number 3, Audrey, let's read.
Find the lateral area and the surface area of the regular hexagonal pyramid. Right answer in simplified radical form.
Okay, let's go ahead and highlight something. This 15 or 16 is our lean. So let's put on here, this is my lean. Also, let's write my base. What shape is my base? Hexagon, it's a regular hexagon. So if each side is 10, how many is our total? 60. For the area, we actually need to involve the formula. And how many equilateral triangles do I have? So we have 6, side square root 3 over 4. And my side is 10, which is really nice. We have 10 squared root 3 over 4. So let's go ahead and do the math. What is 10 squared?
100.
What is 100 divided by 4? What is 25 times 6? 150 or 125? 150? So now let's go ahead and do the formula on the side. We have our lateral area and surface area. Our lateral area is perimeter of the base times the lean divided by 2. What was my perimeter? 60. What was my lean given? 16 divided by 2. To make my numbers small, I think I want to go ahead and do these two first. It doesn't mean I'm always right, okay? So we have 60 times, is that 8? What is 60 times 8? 480, very good. And that'll be inches squared. Okay, let's write out the formula for the surface area. Perimeter of the base times the lean plus 2 times, or plus 1 area of the base. So we already have 480 right here. Area of the base that we found was 150 radical 3. Can I combine these two? No, because 480 does not have a radical. It's not combining like terms here. So we have inches squared. So if you're good on this so far, give me a thumbs up. Okay, for number 4, let's go ahead and partner up. Go. Partner up.
Oh, the one with two. It's all you do is the area of the base. I get it.
Area of the base.
This is 18. Yeah.
So the perimeter of the base is 58.
So this right here, 11
Capital B is area. The action is 40. 11. So it's 198.
Oh, no. I was thinking 198.
198
I got 15 and
times height, which is 20.
So your base is what shape on this one? A rectangle. Then the hardest thing is dividing by 3. Right, Charlie? Are you drawing or are you doing the work? Or both?
I'm drawing out my work.
We're doing it together.
No, it's just strong.
He likes to not take notes.
No, he took them.
You took him? Oh, you're a good friend.
They've been taking
They've been taking him.
I'm trying to do my work.
Was the area of the base 198?
Yes.
All right. Did y'all multiply by 23 first or divide it by 3 first? Divide. If you want to multiply, that's fine. In the end, we should get our volume as 18 meters cubed.